Thank you, my friend.
It's easy. It's easy. Look, how old are you? 18? Yeah. Tell him I said God loves him.
Thank you.
Amen.
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 God bless you. Amen.
Tell him I said
God bless you too.
he got to take care of his family now. Not with the money, not with the 500. He needs more than that. But he needs to figure it out so he can take care of his family. Tell him that. Go crazy. Go crazy. God bless you.
Thank you, my brother.
Love. Let's do a picture. Let's do a picture. Let's do a picture. Where's Small at? Where's Small at? Hey, chat saying happy birthday. Chat saying happy birthday.
Ah, merci, merci. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
All right, look. Hey, listen. Move everybody around so we can do a one-on-one picture. Me and him. Move everybody around. One-on-one. Hey, Baba. Right here. You got your phone?
No, no.
They can send it to you. They can send it to you. Can they send it to you?
He has a phone. I said, phone.
No. Just the phone. Just the phone. Just the phone. Back up. Back up. Back up. No. Back up. Back up. No friend in the picture. Just the phone. Who has a phone? Just one phone. Okay. One-on-one. One-on-one. Everybody else. One-on-one. They don't know. Ready? Chat, he got that aura. He got that aura. Love. Cooked. Love, bro. Stay up. God bless you. All right, yeah, the way my growing feeling, we ain't playing no full soccer game. Yeah, selfie. I got you.
They're bringing that guy.
Love. Oh, they bringing it?
Can I bring it?
They got it?
Ashton.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Love.
God bless you, bro. God bless you, man. Huh?
You want to run?
My growing right now is bad. I wish I could though. My growing, injured. Did they bring it? They brought the cash or no? Oh, it's coming? Does he know that?
Dante wanted to go get it.
Dante, want to go get it? So we need to stay here until he gets the cash in. Thank you, bro. Man, we'll see him next. Small go, let's do it. Let's do it.
Come on, Small.
Come on. Woo.
You good? Okay.
Huh? He's hungry.
I'm around. I'm here.
You missed the whole soccer game.
He was here. He was here.
Oh, why you didn't do it?
Nah, let's get it.
I can do it.
Yeah, he got it. Oh yeah.
I can do it.
We'll let him go. too. Nah, we're on the same team. We got to go against them.
I can do it.
This is a home team.
3-on-3?
No, just one-on-one, 1v1. Yeah, 1v1. Just select somebody.
Let's see.
Indian Ashton Hall, come to Africa is love. Big love.
We're picking fresh tapes. That boy fresh, that boy clean.
Let's get it going real quick. Just select one person.
Oh, he doesn't click. Come on.
Just pick one of them boys.
Clear.
Okay, that's cool. All right. Chat, y'all saw me get embarrassed. Now my boy Ashton Small gonna bring me back. Too easy.
My brother.
Too easy.
Yes. Get it done. Okay. You guys should open up. Hey, so big.
Guys, get over here.
Mettez-vous sur le côté. Venez ici sur le côté. Personne derrière. Mettez-vous sur le côté. Personne derrière. Allez. Back up. They go.
Chat, that boy on his toes.
He needs space on the goal.
He on his toes. Too easy.
Ronaldo.
Oh!
You did it, bro.
God damn. Chat. W's in the chat. Gwanda. Yeah. Hey, he nice though. He. Oh! Yeah.
I'm crazy.
Chat, that boy going 2 for 2. That boy going 2 for 2.
Go back.
Look at the run. Come here. He. Okay. We give him one. Too easy. 2 of 1. Respect. Love. All right, it's on you, Alois. It's on you. Back it up, though. Because that boy legs is strong. That boy legs is strong.
Lloyd's my best round. Knock somebody out when he kicks it.
There he goes.
Let me catch for you. Hold you.
Hey.
Ashton, you want a picture? Or you already got one? Are you chilling? You enjoying the moment?
This month is my birthday.
Huh?
This month is my birthday.
I want what?
My birthday.
Your bad day? Oh, your buddy. Oh, okay. Oh, today's your birthday? Today everybody's birthday. God dang. Easy. Too easy. Oh, that's his sister? Really? Ah, this is sister?
Ready?
Put the ball through him.
One second. Oh! Whole team winning. Come on. Whole team winning. His leg too strong. It don't matter if he block it. He might go through the brick. It's worse if he gets in front of the ball. He might get blown away.
Let me catch for Alois. Ready? Play.
Ooh, dang. Did you see? Boom.
He said he didn't play?
Chat, he could have been good at anything. Look, he kicked the ball, bring the ball right back here.
Right back to me.
He kicked it
Right back to me.
here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let me get out the way.
Ready? Play.
Ooh! 3 for 3?
Let me catch this last shot.
That's big, bro. I told y'all, they got, hey, look, if I can't get it done, they can. How about that? If I can't get it done, they can. It is what it is. Too easy. Did we get the cash from my guy? Or he's still getting it? Huh? Is that Walmart?
Walmart.
We might have to slide.
Yeah.
Nobody has the cash for him?
Let me see how much we get right now.
Hey, brother. Baba.
Yeah. That's good.
Oh. That boy leaned up.
Very strong, nigga. Jack, they make Ghanaian. That's my guy, Jack. Jack, they make Ghanaian.
Yeah, I'll take some. We're gonna muscle up? If I can't win at this one, I'm bad. It's a little too thick, right?
Yeah, but I can do it.
You still can do it?
Yeah.
Hey.
I can do it. I don't miss.
I know.
I don't miss. I don't miss.
Woo! That elbow. That's my sport, though.
Yeah.
That's too easy.
Too easy.
Too easy. Too easy.
Too easy, bro.
Growing. No running. Hey, where's Baba? We got it?
We're out.
Did we? Where's he at? Where's the dude at? The dude who got to pay $500 to.
Oh, where is he?
Baba, tell him money on the way right now.
T'as Momo?
Non, OM.
You can transfer? Transfer now. You can transfer now? We got it? You can just transfer it to him, right?
Yeah, I'll transfer it.
Tell him money is on the way. God bless you, bro. Good to meet you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Quel âge as-tu?
What's the birthday song?
Hey, qu'est-ce que vous chantez ici pour...
Y'all know that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ah. God bless you, bro. Stay up. Till next time. Love. All right, we out. Let's get it. Jesus loves you. I love you. Hey, Billy, we up 3 hours. They said, what the F you meant? Y'all know that. Because they're French. They speak Frenches, huh?
The race.
The what?
Are we still doing the race?
Nah, not today, brother.
Okay,
Not today. You got it, brother. It's love. Respect.
As he was doing the chin-ups with you, he drove 7 hours on a bike.
7 hours?
I left from Bamenda. I live very far. I left Bamenda from 2 a.m.
You drove 7
I
hours?
used to bike to come and just meet.
Really?
Yes.
Who told you I was coming?
Him.
Ah, this your boy?
It's my boy.
Really?
Yeah, it's
How
my
long you
brother.
known him?
Over years.
For real?
Long time.
Let's snap it up. Let's snap it up. Let's do some pictures. My guy came 7 hours. Pull it up.
7 hours with the bike. I used
You sure you didn't run here?
No, I
Physique
used to
look
bike.
crazy, brother.
Yeah,
We can do a post. You want to do a posing video? Something you can post?
Yes.
Let's do a posing video. I remember you asked me that earlier. We can do a posing video.
Press up. Space.
Open up.
You come in the middle. You come in the middle.
Stand in the middle. I was standing there.
Quitte derrière, petit. Quitte derrière.
Oh no, you in the middle. You in the middle. You in the middle. Okay, okay.
mondial, on est avec toi. On m'a dit que tu es là. J'étais loin. Je suis venu. In Cameroon. It's me. Don't worry. Voici ton couple. N'aie pas peur. Mets-toi au pas. Il n'était pas là. Cameroun, America, Africa, Europe, c'est une même famille. Cameroun et toi, c'est une même chose. Ashton, voilà la famille. Cameroon. When you come for Cameroon, tradition, Inter for your car, you come out, souvent money for farotage, enter dans la voiture, souvent money, money, give, farotage, money, give, money, the money, the money, give, money, give.
So you want to give him some extra on strength?
Yeah.
Press. Okay. Birthday boy. Come amiga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. A winner. Love. Thank you, bro. God bless. All right, we out.
Cameroon, the money for you is plenty. I don't know.
love, much love, much love. God bless you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Picture.
Picture.
Some real savages. Some real savages. Here, regular pose right here. Right here. That boy, that's why he looked like that, because he always flexing.
Yeah.
Hey, you a champ. Go win some junk.
Yeah.
Go win something, bro. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Go win something. You look good. Keep going.
Let's do the
Love.
posing now. Let's do just a few picks.
Oh, we didn't do the posing yet?
We haven't done it. We didn't do the posing.
We didn't do the posing?
Yeah.
The sun's coming this way. We gotta come this way.
Yes.
Sun's coming this way. My bad, coach. You come coach us up.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you for the exercise, then you're gonna do it. Because you start with the front double bicep. Front double bicep. You should start with it. Exit.
All right, everybody space,
You have 8 posting.
because y'all about to beat me up in the middle of this circle.
Front double bicep.
Everybody a little bit of space.
Front double bicep.
Front double bicep. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Front lat spread. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Side chest post. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Side tricep post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red double bicep post. 1.
Les gars, on s'écarte s'il vous plaît les gars. Écartez-vous. Toi aussi, recule un peu. Merci.
Stop. Relax spread.
I don't know how to do this one for sure.
Put your hand.
Back double bicep.
Turn this way.
Back lat spread.
Yeah. Take your chest up.
Coach, how I look? It's bad.
Abdominal pose. Take it up.
Let's
It's
do abs.
bad. It's bad.
Front abdominal.
I need practice. I need practice.
I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach
Front
you.
abdominal pose. You guys have to do it.
And to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Most muscular pose. The lion one.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
This you.
Come on.
This you.
Yes.
Easy. Too easy.
The most muscular pose. You gotta go. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Yeah, come on, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Perfect. That is it.
Great.
Yes, sir.
My pleasure. I'm so happy. Although I took a really big injury.
Yeah.
Did a great job, bro.
I had an accident.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Traveled 5 hours.
Dang.
Yes, I left from 2 a.m.
Wow.
That's smart.
5 hours.
5 hours on a bike.
God bless you. What's your name?
Chise Yannick, Instagram the Jack Mechanic.
The Chab Nikani. Go look at this guy. Come here. Love, brother. Come here. What's your name?
Usman Laforce.
Usman. What?
Usman.
Usman. I got Usman. And then you, what's your name, King?
Samako Pro.
Samako Pro?
All the way from Yaoundé.
Okay, look,
from
you
the
guys,
next state,
you
coming
guys
next.
pushing me. I gotta step it up. I see the veins in the chest,
Thank you.
veins in the stomach. Now I gotta step it up. The coach needs the coach too.
You motivate us a lot. You motivate us a lot. Like, you know, coming here in Cameroon is like a dream come true.
Yeah,
Like, you know, when you're going back to your country,
yeah.
you have impact a lot here in Cameroon.
Thank you,
And we are going to make sure we keep the good work.
thank you. I would
Jesus
love.
is king.
I was just gonna say, I would love to take the credit, but I would not be here today if it wasn't for Jesus. 100%. I'm just doing His work. It's not our glory. You don't look like that for you. Hopefully, right?
Definitely.
It's to bring the glory to Him. That's what it's always about. All this is temporary.
Yeah.
We die, all this deflates.
Exactly.
Definitely.
100%. We die, the money, the account, you don't take it with you.
You don't take it with you.
The fame, you don't take it with
Nothing.
you. We're here to bring the glory. We're here to advance people to the kingdom. That is the message that we're here to tell, right?
Yes.
I appreciate you. Jesus is king.
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 Love. God bless you guys. Let's do it. Picture. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. My guy. Ready? Love. Thank you. Blessings.
Wait. Let's more go.
Okay.
Thank you, bro.
Ash, are you good?
Need some water.
Hey, hotel. Let's go quick.
Blueberries protein shake. Corona, you can have that. I'm chilling. The blueberries are protein. You want water? Okay. You chilling? Can you give me one last time? I don't know why they didn't give me my phone yet. Oh, we got to post. It's 4:30. I guess we're close to the hotel.
Yeah.
That was a really good unplanned segment, chat. That was fire. So much love here. I was about to die. Thank you. Love. Yeah, that was super dope. Super dope.
Please fasten seat belt.
Liz Madine, appreciate you. Big W's. Big W's. Chat, big W's. We 3 hours in, we got some cool content.
Alonso.
3 hours in. Ooh, we burnt some calories today, chat. We burned some calories today, brother. Ashton Small, you lost your mic?
Yeah.
No mic?
No mic. I don't have mic.
You feel you went crazy in football? You went crazy. You was killing that boy.
Really?
You was cooking him.
I'm the best.
Say I cooked him. Say I cooked him.
I cook them.
Ha! Cooked him. That boy sushi for the night. Where's the shirt? He don't need one. He don't need one, chap. I love that. Another fire live, as usual. Ooh, the community. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love, support, everything. It's been fun. It's been fun. That was unplanned, bro. Like, literally, we just pulled up. Just caught a vibe. It's different. You can't do that everywhere.
Yeah.
Cameroon?
Cameroon is cool.
It's a movie. It is a movie. I'm ready to see Gwanda. Gwanda?
Yeah, Rwanda.
I'm ready to see Gwanda.
It's the best.
It's the best, huh?
Yeah.
10 of 10.
Sure. And it's the best.
Watch out, Dan. Move your hand.
Okay.
Join the Discord. Chat, link pinned in. Join the Discord. We went 3 hours. Ron, you hungry? Or you're chilling? Did you eat today?
We had a little sandwich.
A little bit of sandwich?
With parched.
All right, we'll get some water. Why is bro not even sweating? They say, why you not sweating? It's too easy.
It's too easy for you.
That's why he's not sweating. It's too easy for him. Yeah, send all the clips in the Discord chat. I didn't know Ashton was so funny. Glad to see you in my country. Yeah, everybody just thinks I just be unking. Your mom will be proud of you. My mom is super proud.
Of course, brother.
W moms.
Yeah.
The best mom. The best. The best. 100%. But guess what? You're going to be the best father. You're going to have kids, right? You want kids?
Yeah. I want a kid, but
later.
Yeah, in the future.
In the future. At what age? At 30?
I don't have a kid. I don't want a kid right now. Just prepare in the future.
Maybe when you're 30?
Yeah.
When you're 30? 30 years old? 30?
He's 33.
My daughter?
No, he's 25. Ashton Small is 25. He was born in 2001. His brother is 33.
I thought he was like 33.
Nah, he's 25.
Yeah?
You're 25, right?
Yeah, I'm 35.
25?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Oh.
Yeah.
25. Then your brother's what? 30 what?
31.
31?
Yeah.
Bro, you said 32.
Yeah, 33. No, not
33. 33. Because I said he was the same age as Jesus. Yeah. Somebody said W honesty. All right, let's get. Oh, they're ready? Let's get it. Let's slide.
You have 30 minutes. You need to take a shower, or you need to go to the airport.
30 minutes until the airport?
Yeah.
Or we got to leave for the airport at 5?
At 5, yeah.
Oh, wow.
You need to take a shower now?
Yeah, for sure.
Quickly
Yeah,
shower.
I need a shower for sure.
Okay. Hey, you have assurance for him.
Huh?
Assurance for him. Assurance. Hey, who's the guy for assurance? Who's the guy? This guy over there. I'll show you.
Hold on one second. Chat, I'll be right back. Give me like 5 minutes. 4 minutes.
My the other phone needy. Just that it. I try more with shopping. When the orange. That one needy fence.
Tell them what you like about Cameroon.
The orange. Play on the show. The orange.
Yo, people from Cameroon. I love people from Cameroon because it's the people that interact with each other. Peace, love. Yeah. Peace and love.
You ever seen so many people in one place?
Yeah.
Yeah. And all the people in the crowd in the market. It was crazy, no?
Yeah, hey, that is amazing, bro. So many people, maybe it's like 1,000 people, man, the market. Yeah, that's crazy. But like people from Ghana, because it is the people that interact with others, they full of love, peace and love. Yeah.
You're excited for the other countries?
Yeah. Nigeria. Yeah. So I hope to be in Nigeria. And, do you want to take a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
You got fans, small.
Yeah.
Oh, they're taking them. I'm here.
Yeah. We're friends from Cameroon. Yeah. So people from Rwanda, how we doing? And let me say happy Liberation Day to all Rwandans. Happy Liberation Day to all Rwandans. Yeah, I'm coming very soon cause it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. Yes. Yeah. You want to take a picture again?
Ici, comme ça, c'est un peu noir.
Let's go and snap them.
You have a good day?
Yeah.
What is, did you tell them what Liberation Day is in Uganda?
Yeah. You in the stream. Just turn in the stream.
You told them?
Yeah, in the stream.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go and snap them.
Yes, abantu bo guturuka mu Rwanda. Let me say in Kinyarwanda, right?
Can you rap for us?
Yeah?
Yeah.
May I rap? Yeah, okay, let me see this. Peace kubaha salama horo ku mutima ka kandi kabuzo nakagaruye yewe mana ya roho mfashirize umufana bundi pande kiwo swezi kurudi nyuma oti update yo mufana ngo yawe dira mu madini challenge in mind asa mu mahasra drug umutwe yaraze kuno kunywa sinyine yo live crazy.
So you gotta end it with your favorite dance move.
Yeah?
What's your favorite dance move?
Favorite move? You want to take a picture?
Yes.
One more. Favorite dance move.
Oh. Evidence move.
Where'd he go? He went up.
You want to take a picture?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tu me filmes un peu.
Monte.
Mettez-vous de côté, Mohamed. Quand tu parles, vous allez bloquer.
Spaniard, bro.
Bien ça, non.
Ici.
Voilà.
Vous allez regarder le caméra américain. On va partir avec.
Est-ce que
c'est bien?
Ok. Thank you.
Yes, abantu bo guturuka mu Rwanda reka nizere ko mumeze neza cyane kandi reka nizere ko ibintu ari bombastic, ibintu bimeze neza fresh sana kabisa. Uyu munsi ndi muri Cameroon, ni ukuvuga ngo urugendo rwe ruracyakomeje, gahunda ni ukuzenguruka ariko finally tukazasuduka twisanze hehe mu Rwanda. People from Rwanda vuba ngaha ndabageraho ubundi ibintu bibe fresh sana kabisa. Hope ko mumeze neza cyane rero. Yeah, uretse gato. Ya so rero ni ukuvuga ngo ibintu ni fresh sana kabisa, ibintu ni neza cyane. Mu minsi makuri yo darapo mu minsi iri imbere turaba tuje mu Rwanda. Rwanda, you ready?
Yeah.
For my brother.